On March 15, 1915, the British Navy attacked the Turks at the Dardanelles. There was a terrific naval barrage from the guns on the shore. 3 ships had been sunk, and finally at noon, the British Navy withdrew, never to take that point during the engagement. What they didn't know was that the Turks had only 60 seconds of ammunition left, and at that very moment, were preparing to surrender. But the British quit. This story is quoted from Mack R. Douglas' book, How to Make a Habit of Succeeding. What would have been the result if they had held out for another 60 seconds? They would have taken the Dardanelles, split the enemy forces, closed the war years earlier, and saved millions of lives. Aren't you quitting too soon now? You may be feeling stuck, but you also may only be 60 seconds away from success. Here's a quote from Thomas Edison. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up.